In today's video, I found out a way on how to give myself the Renegade Raider skin for completely free. So I'm going to change my skin really quick, and it should automatically give me the Renegade Raider skin, including a bunch of other items. So yes sir, as you guys can see, it works. My reaction isn't as good as the first time, because when I actually found out this actually worked, I went absolutely crazy, because it was just insane. And usually most of these are like scams and clickbaits and stuff like that. But like I said, we have every single item for completely free. We also do have the backlinks. Make sure to keep watching, because this is actually insane. I'm going to be telling you guys how to do this in just a moment. Also guys, as you can see, we have the unreleased skins. These are basically TBD skins. They will never be released in Fortnite at all. And obviously we do the Renegade Raider, like we just gifted ourselves. And yeah, now my game is just completely glitching out. I'm just getting spammed with the Renegade Raider skin, which obviously I don't mind, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. So let's exit out of Fortnite and actually start the tutorial. Alright guys, so what you guys want to do is go in the link of the description. Once you guys are there, it's just going to be a bit.ly link. It's going to redirect you to this recognized link, which is right here. So you guys want to subscribe to myself on YouTube, and then subscribe to my friend X Shadow on YouTube. Once you have subscribed to both of us, just press unlock link, and it should unlock the link. Also, if you guys are watching, sorry if my mic's a little bit bad. I am using my phone mic to actually record this video, so yeah. But we're going to press unlock link in just a moment. Just wait around 10 to 15 seconds, and just press unlock link. Once you guys have unlocked the link, it's going to take you to this link for test link, which is right here. You guys want to press free access, and then download Fortnite Dev and proceed with the following steps. Click on the download, and then once you guys have this, it's going to run as an administrator. So you guys want to press yes, and then when it pops up this window, you guys want to press next, decline ads, and then open it. It's going to open my Beacons AI link, which basically gives you access to all Fortnite devs. Specifically for this tutorial, we're going to go through Boogie FN. So you guys want to press Boogie FN and then go through the same following steps. So press free access, and then download Boogie community, save, double click on download, do the same steps that you did earlier. Once you guys have done this, skip all and press open. It's going to redirect you to your Discord server, which has all the downloads. So basically, once you guys are here, you guys want to go and get Boogie, and then go on to their website, which is the first link, and then press download for Windows. The website is very well designed, so you guys want to press download for Windows, and then press download. You guys can also do the link for this process, but I'm just going to do the regular download for this video. I'm going to press run anyway, and we're going to open up the launcher. When I ask for an authorization code, you guys want to go back onto the Discord and actually find that link for the authorization code and log into the correct Fortnite account and copy and paste the authorization code in the website and paste it into the launcher. And then press login. And then now you guys want to download the Fortnite path file location. So you guys want to go back into the Discord. This is the last step, so watch closely, because this part actually gets confusing. So you guys want to actually download Easy Installer. So press the GitHub link, and then you guys want to click Easy Installer and install Easy Installer on your device. Double click on Easy Installer and then type in the letter D into Easy Installer, and then press enter. And then we're asked for a custom manifest URL. You guys want to go back into the Discord server and copy and paste the manifest URL into the Easy Installer. And then press enter. We're asked for a game file location. You guys want to go in folders and then press desktop, and then right click new, and then create a new folder. You guys can name this whatever. I'm just gonna name this Boogie FN video, but you guys can name this whatever. Once you have the folder created, double click on the folder and then get the file path URL. And then once you guys have done that, you guys want to copy that and paste it into the Easy Installer, and then press enter. It's going to install a bunch of files into that folder, and it's going to give you an ETA. That's basically how long it's going to take. I already have this installed, so I'm actually not going to go through this process, but it could even take up to an hour depending on how good your PC is. For me specifically, it takes around 5 minutes, but like I said, it could take longer for you. So just be patient for this, and then make sure it's completely fully downloaded, and then you guys can close this out and actually load up Fortnite using the launcher. So you guys want to close this out and then go back onto the hybrid launcher and then press launch. It's going to ask for a folder, so you guys want to find that folder where you just installed Easy Installer onto, and then press select folder, and then it's going to automatically launch Fortnite. So once you guys have launched Fortnite, it should give you the Fortnite dev. So you guys want to obviously launch. Also, comment W if you guys are still watching, because I want to see which of my viewers actually watch the whole entire videos. But like I said, once you guys actually load in, you guys should be granting with the Renegade Raider skin. If you guys are not granted with the skin, you guys don't have premium. If you guys want more info on that, it's going to be in the Discord server for Boogie FN. But you guys should be granted with a Fortnite dev account with every single skin on it. So I hope this video actually worked for you. And if you guys have any questions, please leave one down below. And it has been your boy Radius. I will see you all in the next video. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out.